Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on my Honda S2000, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. Working on my 2005 Honda S2000, just doing the oil change maintenance right now. So since I'm at the top, I'm taking out the oil filter first. Oil is dirty. I'm gonna put in my new one. Now make sure you wipe the oil filter housing. You can see the old oil is pretty dirty. I'm gonna put in my new oil filter, and I put a little bit of new oil on the gasket so it sits better. Just hand tighten. There you go. That's good enough. The drain bolt is a 17 millimeter. I'm gonna take it out. Oh. Come on. Ooh, it's dirty. Everything is completely drained out. Just tighten it down. Change out the drain bolt washer if you need. So I'm gonna tighten it down so this is tight. I'm just gonna snug it down a little more. That's it. There you go. Wipe the spot, fill up the oil. The oil grade, this one takes 1030, so you're gonna put in 1030. This one takes 5.5 quart. I'm gonna put in 5.5 quart and check the dipstick. Put in 5.5. I started the car. Turn it off. Now I'm gonna check it. So let me see. Yep, it's right on the high mark. So it's kind of hard to turn. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. It's right on the high mark right here. Yep, right on the high mark. So that's perfect. Now I'm just gonna reset the oil life. So for the oil life reset, what you're gonna do is, so you can see my maintenance required says right here. It's not on right now, but it's almost due. So for you to reset the light, what you're gonna do is you're gonna key off, hold the trip button first, key on, still holding it until it turn off the maintenance light. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it off first. So I'm gonna hold the trip button and then key on. Keep holding it till the trip button turn off. Keep holding it. There you go. That's it. That's how you reset it. So I'm gonna key off, turn the car back on. There you go. That's how you reset the oil life on the Honda S2000. So that's it to this video, guys. So just a oil change for the Honda. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. Don't mind, I'm out. Peace.